Hello, Auta Singh here. My handphone 01787222230. You, ayo MACC find no corruption in KL retention pond loss. Hey, not only KL Selangor also. Your stupid government your Pakatan government. Let's talk about Selangor first there are so many pond all has been alienated for development. Okay, that is the past 19 years, all the big, very important South Key Pond, IOI Mall Pond, Putra Perdana Pond, Puchong Prima Pond, all gone. Mutiara Puchong Pond, now the latest one is the in Wilayah under you, Kampung Bohol Pond, has been alienated. You see, of course, you cannot charge anybody, because they do it very nicely. They do it systematically. They change the law, this and that. That's why you cannot take any action. But my question is, why the latest pond, Kampung Bohol Pond, which was not gazetted, for housing, earlier, it happened right under your government tenure, the past 3 years, it happened. Why you allowed Kampung Bohol? You can blame the previous Barisan government or whatever government. That's why the people changed. They voted for bullshit people, bullshit party like Pakatan, hoping for change. But you all never change. You change the bloody law back you change the law back. The all kolam tadahan, all retention pond cannot be touched. Gazette it. Gazette it totally. Cannot be changed. But you never do. Just like how you used to make noise, Subang Lake. Remember? Last time you used to bullshit. You used to ask Liva Bank, Dato' Liva Bank, the Adon Subang Jaya, MCA that time. Oh, how come the pond is alienated to Saim Dabi for development, this and that it should be gazetted. After 19 years, you lari to where? Segambut Where you run to Segambut or where? I don't know where you run. So you all never de-gazette back. Same like the Aitam Forest, the Pematang Kumbang. Your stupid government and your good friend Teresa Kok and Gobind Singh promise want to de-gazette. Never de-gazette. Same you already, how many years you become the Adon in Subang Jaya? You never de-gazette the Subang Lake. Isn't it? You bullshit all the Subang people and you run to I think Segambut. Then you leave your Rajiv guy there. He also never do. He also run to Bukit Gasing. All of you run, bullshit, never do anything. Now after 19 years or so, the Subang Lake also not de-gazetted. South Key Pond sold to the developer. Recently, the IOI Mall Puchong 560 acres land pond has been sold to a developer by Menteri Besar Incorporated. Your government Menteri Besar, Menteri Besar Incorporated supposed to take care of the pond. So in Malay they say pemegang amanah shouldn't have sold the pond for development purposes. Suddenly the pond has been de-gazetted, become a housing project. That's the latest one, plus the Kampung Bohol. Enough of your bullshit Anayo, enough I think the Subang Jaya people know the type of bullshit artist you are. Now you go to Wilayah also, you bullshit the people there. I challenge your government Prime Minister is your gang. Menteri Besar is your gang. All the MPs majority all the AP and PKR MP win in Kuala Lumpur, in Wilayah Persekutuan. Change the law ahli lembaga DBKL also all Pakatan people sitting there. Change the law no need to do drama like that. Of course MACC cannot find because it's done according to the law, very smoothly, very cunningly, so the law allowed to sell the pond or de-gazette the pond. They follow the law Bodoh you. You try to make all the people stupid,